Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Travis Dykes. Today we're gonna be learning this Aeolian groove, and it's gonna be pretty fun. This is one that I really like. It's got this cool little lick at the end. So we're gonna learn all of that. So without further ado, why don't you grab your bass and we'll get into it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we know our A flat minor pentatonic and our A flat minor scale. So the minor pentatonic, A flat minor pentatonic would be the fifth position. So of the pentatonic, so we go like this. And this is the extended one. It usually stops right here on the D string, but we're just kind of extending to the G. Now, if you don't know that concept, go ahead and hit pause on this and go to that other video that I do. I think it's the second. I think the minor scales in the second part 2 of the Pentatonic Scales video lesson that I do. So go check that out. So yeah, and so that's the minor A flat minor pentatonic. Now the minor scale, which would be the Aeolian mode, or the mode, the major mode that's on the 6th, is this right here. So this is the extended, because it stops right there when it comes to like unique notes and the notes being different. But after that, it becomes it just repeats it. It just kind of gives a little bit more color. It repeats the color. So, but yeah, so those are the 2 scales you need to know before going into this. And outside of that, we should be straight. So the groove goes like this. And it's a lick. All right, and so that's it honestly feels like it's a part of the groove, but it really is a lick. But you can make it a part of the groove. I mean, I do that a lot of times with a lot of things that I play. But anyways, so we've got the first part is going to be 1 or A flat, and then flat 7 to 1 if you know your numbers, or it'll be 1 or A flat, G flat, A flat, and that's the first part. And you notice that there's a ghost note in there, so we got a ghost note. So we got a double. We're gonna do like 1, jump, boom, boom. I think that'd be triple, but it'd be or a triplet. So it'd be like 1, 2, up, boom, boom. So boom, jump, boom. Make sure you see my right hand. Boom. Then that kind of replaces the snare. So boom, chop, boom, 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 and then the notes. All right. So that's the first part. Next part is going to be and this is all just minor pentatonic down. So it'd be all right. And number wise would be 1, flat 7, 5, flat 3, 4. Or notes, but notes would be A flat, G flat, E flat, B, D flat. All right, and that's it. So it'd be all together, slow. It'd be. All right, and that's the whole first part of it. All right, now the next part is going to just kind of repeat the same thing, but I'm going to do like this little lead in, which would be like, and all that is I'm doing a little doubles up, or it's a triplet. So I'm just going to so you can see my right hand. So remember, like whenever you do these ghost notes, it doesn't really matter necessarily what string you're doing on. You just want to get that sound. I could do like, or I could do, like I could do on the B string, wherever you want to. It's all about having that percussive sound, because there's really not really any rules to doing it. It's just creating that percussive sound. So, but we got boom. So we're just going to do that flat 7-1 and then the octave lower. So going back into it, or you B flat, G flat, A flat, and the A flat octave down, and then it goes. And then after that, it just goes right back into the normal thing groove that we did before. So it'd be. All right, so it just does the same thing. It just has that lead in. And then this is where the lick comes in. So just to refresh of what we got, where we're at right now. So we got boom. So first part. 3. And I'll also do like a little kind of snare, like slap right here. Now we're back into the normal. And so now we're going to do the lick, which goes like this. So all that is going to be flat 7. And this is based off the, this is kind of dabbling in the Aeolian mode and the pentatonic scale. So it'd be, which that's going to be flat 7-1. I think that's a flat 3-2. So it'd be like, all right. And then after that, and for numbers or for notes, it'd be G flat, A flat, B, B flat, and then the next part would be. Which all that is just adding 2 notes, which would be the flat 7 and the 5, or the G flat and the E flat. So it'd be like, all right, next part. So it'd be, and all that is a 1 flat 7, 5, 4, flat 3, and then ends on the back on the 1. Notes would be A flat, G flat, E flat, D flat, B, A flat. All right. So that makes up the whole lick. So all that together goes like this. Timing is like 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 4, and a 1. So 2 E and a 3. I can't remember what exactly the timing is, but it's doing 16th notes. Let me show you where it starts. So boom. So it's like a little pause before you start it. So boom, boom, chop. So I do like a little slap right there to show me like, because it comes in on the upbeat. So I hit on the downbeat, hit the little slap on the downbeat. So it'd be like boom, 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 boom. You see what I'm saying? So boom, 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 chop. And so that's where you start. All right. And so, yeah, that is the whole groove. And just play around with it. Use some ghost notes, because the ghost notes make it really cool. And sometimes I'd add like a ghost note right there. So, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. You can do that one too. There's a lot of places you can put ghost notes. All right. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or you want this loop that I was playing with, feel free to drop a comment below with your email. And if you don't want to drop your email in there, feel free to check out my Instagram page at @tdykes and send me a DM with your email and I will send it to you ASAP. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later.